Hey you guys, welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. Today we're talking hot chocolate, the perfect beverage during the wintertime or anytime. But my hot chocolate is not just any hot chocolate. It's the world's creamiest, richest, and dairy-free. And I have the secret to share with you. So, let's get started. It all starts with, of course, chocolate. Now for this recipe, you want to use a high cacao dark chocolate bar. I'm using 72%. Now it should not contain any dairy. Now break it up into pieces because the first thing we're going to do is melt the chocolate. While you can melt it on the stove using a bain-marie, it's simpler to place it in the microwave using a microwave-safe dish. I'm using a smart oven with a microwave function that specifically melts chocolate. Now if you have a standard microwave, lower the power to medium so the chocolate melts slowly and evenly. You want to periodically stop the microwave and stir the chocolate until fully melted. Now you're going to pour 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk into a saucepan. I'm using almond milk. Now 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You may also use pure maple syrup. Now pour in that luscious, silky, melted dark chocolate. You can drink that alone, right? Now I'm with you guys on that one. Just give it a good stir over medium heat and continue stirring until the milk and chocolate are well incorporated. And make sure it's hot enough before it reaches the boiling point. It's not shown here, but while you're stirring, add 1/8 of a teaspoon of instant coffee. It brings out the chocolate. Doesn't this look good? Okay, so there's actually 2 secret ingredients. One of them is a Vitamix. I'm using the Ascent A3500 with the air disc container. Now you can use any full-size Vitamix with variable speed. Now the other secret ingredient is 2/3 cup of aquafaba. It's the juice from a can of garbanzo beans. Now we're going to create a foam with this. Pressing start. Now we're going to slowly increase the speed. Now the air disc will aerate the aquafaba into a foam. Now you don't want to run this on the highest speed, you guys. You just want to increase it until it becomes a rich foam and very firm. Now I found speed 6 to 7 to be optimum. Okay, the foam is done. Now make sure to set aside 1/4 cup of the foam for garnish. Now I'm going to grab our hot melted chocolate from the stove. Alright, here's the hot melted chocolate. It's ready to pour. Now it's important to start the Vitamix on speed 1 before pouring the chocolate. Now as I pour it into the foam, the chocolate seeps straight to the bottom and it needs to be whipped into the foam right away or it will not mix if you pour it in before starting the Vitamix. Now increase the speed high enough just to incorporate the chocolate in the foam. Now you don't want to mix on high speed because it will deflate the foam. And that's it, you guys. The Vitamix air disc container is awesome. So let's pour it up. It's rich and chocolatey. The tiny hint of coffee really sets off the chocolate flavor. Now I'm just going to top each one of them off, and we're almost done. Now I'm going to add that 1/4 cup of foam that we set aside earlier. This will serve as the whipped cream on top of the hot chocolate. And I assure you guys you will not taste or smell the aroma of the aquafaba. It's 100% hidden by the chocolate. Now with a spoon, just lightly stir the foam with the hot chocolate to give it a swirl effect. And that's it, you guys. This is the richest, creamiest, dairy-free hot chocolate you've ever had. Serve this to your guests as an after-dinner beverage. They'll swear up and down it was made with cream, and they'll ask you, how did you make it so chocolatey? Now you know the secret. Well, for movie night, set up a platter with marshmallows, chocolate shavings, some pound cake. Your family will love it. You've got to try it. All this couldn't have happened so quickly and easily without the Vitamix Air Disc container. It's become my favorite accessory container because it takes my recipes to the next level, which makes a difference between what's good and what's great. Alright you guys, thank you so much. And if you want to order a Vitamix, the Air Disc container, or other Vitamix accessories, see the links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. See you soon.